morning. I'm Cadet Inusa, so I chose the master standing order. First, call the master anytime to require assistant to maintain a power watch within the dock or any of the following circumstances. First, for the fire alarm. Then is the bridge equipment malfunction. Reduce visibility less than 3 nautical miles, serve or unexpected weather condition, and etc. The watch officer is free to call upon the master at any time. No bridge watch officer is expected to able and handle all the situation regarding the safe navigation of the vessel without the assistance of the master in certain circumstances. It's crucial to notify the master in sufficient time to allow him to properly assess the situation. Second is the maintain a proper lookout at all times. Ensure a AV on duty has been instructed of his duty in case of restricted visibility or traffic density. Post an additional lookout immediately. The third is watchkeeping and navigation or primary duties while on the bridge. And the fourth is give all the traffic with berth keep will clear to fishing vessels that may abound the area navigated. The fifth is you are expected to monitor and fix the position of your vessels all the times. Six is strictly follow the courses paid and fix the intervals as required by the voyage plan or as otherwise approved by the master. 7. Response to the alarm as the per master supplemental instruction. 8 is the bridge watch should be maintained according with principle of the bridge team management, including when a pilot is aboard. 9. Exercise prudence and good seamanship at all times. An engine as disposal is state to use it.